Saturday, August 13, 2022, and I will check the monetization section here. Then this is overview, and a new tab was added, the shopping and memberships. So let's explore shopping. So welcome to shopping. Share products across your channel and engage viewers in new ways. Okay, and the membership tab is join other successful creators who earn monthly revenue with membership. So I can on the membership for my second channel. Get inspired by other creators. So I need to create emojis first. So we will try to click explore next steps. Yeah. Our data suggests significant promotion and perks will be necessary to convert your viewers into members. So 5.2% of your views come from subscribers. While channels with this statistic can be successful on YouTube, memberships typically performs well when at least 25% of channel views. So we can click view data. Okay, so I can turn on memberships for this second channel. So I need to finish this one. Step 1, set up your membership offer. So I will click this, start, then customize default perks, then announce your memberships, and then post to welcome new members. So I need to prepare my emojis, badges, like that. For the newly monetized channel for this year 2022, I can say that they are so lucky because once they are accepted to YPP and their channel application for monetization has been approved, they can turn on supers, and then after a few days a new tab was added, the shopping and the membership. So they can turn on their channel memberships. So this is all the steps to turn on channel memberships. Before, way back 2020 and 2021, if you are a newly monetized channel, you can turn on your super chat, super stickers after few days. And then today, if you are newly monetized for this year, so you can turn on right away your 3 supers: super chat, super stickers, and super thanks. For super thanks, it takes a year to on your super thanks. This is all the steps to set up your channel membership. Set up your membership offer, customize default perks, announce your memberships, and post to welcome new memberships. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.